Good morning children. In previous video we have studied about how image of a point object in front of plane mirror is formed. Now in this video we will discuss how image of an extended object in front of plane mirror is formed. Here extended object is a small pencil. Let us consider an object AB, a small pencil kept in a front of plane mirror strip MM dash. The rays of light travel out in all directions from the object. Let's consider the rays coming out from the points A and B, which are the ends of the extended object. These rays fall on the mirror, and after reflection from its surface, the image will be formed at A dash and B dash. Clear? Also, the size of the image will be the same as of the object. The distance of the image from the mirror will be same as that of the object from the mirror. Now, second topic is lateral inversion. The behavior of mirror due to which the side of an object get inverse means the right of an object become the left of the image and the left of the object become the right of the image. This is called as the lateral inversion. For example, if you raise your right hand before the mirror, your image will be raised its left hand. Due to lateral inversion of the image formed in a plane mirror, it becomes difficult to read the text reflected by it. That is why the word ambulance printed laterally inverted on an ambulance van. Now, characteristic of an image formed by a plane mirror. First one, the image formed by plane mirror is of the same size of the object. For example, if you observe your own image in the plane mirror, it looks just like you and it's of the same size. The image formed by a plane mirror is always erect. Erect means सीधा बनना. Now third, the image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Means if you observe your own image in the plane mirror, you found that the same distance behind the mirror as you are in front. Similarly, children, when you move close to the mirror, your image also move equally close to the mirror. And if you moved away from the mirror, the image also move equally away from the mirror. Now last, the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted, means if you move your right hand, your image will move its left hand. The uses of plane mirror. Plane mirror are used as a looking glasses. Plane mirror are used to reflect light on an object. For example, solar cookers to reflect sun rays towards the vessels to be heated. Mirror are used in small space, give a perception of a double the space. In showcases that the display jewelry and wrist watches, two planes mirror are placed at an angle or a parallel to each other, leading to the formation of the multiple image of the displayed articles. Plane mirror are used in optical instruments such as a periscope and kaleidoscope. The periscope is used in submarines to see ship on the surface of the water when the submarine is under water. Kaleidoscope is a tube-shaped optical instrument that contains mirror and bits of colored glasses whose reflections produce changing pattern when the tube is rotated. These are the uses of plane mirrors. Now, speed of light. Light travels in a straight lines. This property is called the rectilinear propagation of light. The speed of light is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. Unlike sound, light does not need a material medium to travel. Light can travel through vacuum also. The speed of light in some other medium, as in water, the speed of light is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In alcohol, 2.20 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In kerosene, 2.17 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And in glass, 1.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Light take 8 minutes to travel from the sun to earth. Now, color of an object. We know that we see the object due to the reflection of light falling on them. There are a large number of colors in nature. All these colors are obtained by mixing two or three colors in a definite proportion. Let us study different type of colors. First one, primary color. The colors red, green and blue are called the primary color because they cannot be made by mixing other colors. Now, formation of secondary color by color addition. When any two primary colors are mixed in equal proportion, new color are produced. The colors produced by mixing any two primary color are called secondary color or composite color. Example, yellow, cyan and magenta are the three secondary colors. Now, complementary colors. A pair of colors which are mixing produce white color are called complementary color. For example, green and magenta mix to produce white color. So, green and magenta color are complementary to each other. When the lights of red, green and blue color are mixed, white color is produced. Now children, read the chapter very carefully and try to solve. Check your progress given on page number 48. Okay, thank you.